Hello, this is the third lesson in our Excel class. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to perform some advanced sort and filter features in Excel. And I have my data, then we are going to be following this instruction to execute the features we want to look at, which is the sort and the filter feature in Excel. So we are going to be executing this 8 item. So let's go back to our data. Here we have the data set, and the first question we want to answer is to sort the data in newest to oldest order of dates listed. That is, we should sort uh, from the newest date to the oldest date. We are going to be getting something like this, a result like this. So now how do we do that? If to sort, we come to home, and then we can see sort and filter here. So we can sort from A to Z, which is from lowest to the highest. We can sort from Z to A, which is from highest to lowest. Also, we can also just select this cell and right click on it, and then when you come down here, you see sort. You can also sort from A to Z, Z to A. We have custom sorts and the likes. So in this case, we are sorting from the newest to the oldest. So that means we are sorting from Z to A in ascending order. So when we right click on this, click on sort Z to A, then we have our data. So we can see lang, and notice when you sort a column, every other column gets sorted as well. So we have lang as the first, so it's the same thing as what we already have here. Another thing we want to do is we want to sort the data in ascending order of area and descending order of agent name. So here it involves two columns. We are sorting the area in ascending order, and we are also sorting agent name in ascending order. So let's see how we can do that. So we have, I have that in sheet 2. Okay, so we are sorting area in ascending order, and we are sorting agent name in descending order. So you can start from anywhere. You can start sorting using agent name. You can start sorting using area. So let's start from agent name. Notice we are sorting agent name in descending order. So I click on agent, right click, sort. Descending order will be from Z to A. Okay, and then we are sorting area in ascending order. So I'll click on area, right click, then sort from A to Z. So you would see that we have it here, Shasta Central, 215,000. So that is basically how we can sort two different column, in two different order. Also, we want to sort the data according to the following order. So we can sort a column based on a particular order. So here we want to sort data according to the following order of area. That is South County, Central, and now North County. So to do that, so what we are saying is that we want to sort area based on Okay, let me go to sheet 3. All right. So what we want to do is we want to sort um this area such that South County comes first, followed by Central, then followed by North County, just the way we have it here in this order. Okay, so to do that, so we are it's going to give us this kind of result that we have here. All right, so to do that, let's come to area now. Right click, then sort. So this time around, I will click on custom sort. So when you click on custom sort, this dialog box comes up. Now you see sort by the column, sort on the value, and then the order. So we are sorting by the area. So I select area here. Then sort on. If you see here, you see cell value, cell color, font color. Now let's click on cell value, and then the order. The order is custom list. Let's no from Z to A now, but this time around we are sorting based on a custom list. So we click on custom list, and then we add the entry. Don't forget we are sorting in the order of South County, Central, and North County. So all we just need is to type it here, S dot county, then enter Central, and then North County. That'll be N dot county. Then I'll click on add. So it has been added to the list. Then click OK. So once I come back again, and then I select it, yes, I make sure it's selected, then click OK. Now, so then the order has been set. The next thing is to click OK, and we'll see that it's sorted based on this order of the order of area: South County, Central, and North County. So we see that South County came first, then Central, then North County, just like the way we have it in this table. So the next thing is to find all the houses in the central area. So this is a filter problem. To solve this, we are going to use filter. So let's go back to the Excel file. Let me go back to my sheet 4. So what we want to do here is to find all the houses in the central area. So I will come to my sort and filter here, and then click on filter. Sorry, let me go back. Okay, so the first thing is to select this column held, then click on filter. Now I want to find all the houses in the central area, so I'm filtering by area. So click on this drop down arrow. Now you would see all the feeds, all the options that we have in that column. Now all of them are selected. That is why we could see all the data sets. Now I want to filter by area, so I mean by central. So all I do is select everything, then click on central alone. So once I check this central box alone, click OK. So you would notice that all I will see is information for central here. So that is how you can filter based on central alone. Another thing we do from what we have here is to find the list of all the houses in the central region with pool, and in South County without pool. So this is here we are filtering two columns. We are filtering the area and we are specifying that the central region should give us the central region with those with houses that has pool, and then South County should give us houses without pool. Okay, so how do we achieve that? Let's go back to our data. Let me go to sheet 5. Now this time around, um, we can achieve this in two ways. We can first of all filter by area. No, to do this, we create a new column head here, okay, and then I want it to be displayed in another table. So now the first thing is that we want to select all our central houses in the central region with pool. So I'll come here. Now I've created this already. So I'll come here and type central. Then under pool, no, not type. Instead of typing, all I will do is I will just click equal to, then select one of the field here. Okay, press enter. Then also for South County, equal to, then select any field for South County and press enter. Then the next thing is come to pool here. Now don't forget I said central region with pool, so that means uh that will be true. For pool will be true, so I'll just click on equal to and then select a true value here, press enter. Now for South County without pool, so that will be false. I'll equal to, then select any of the false value, press enter. Okay, so once that is done, I want it to be displayed in this table I've created. So I'll just click on this. Once I click on this column here, I mean this cell here, now I'll go to data here. So under data, then here under sort and filter, you will see advanced field, advanced. So click on advanced. This will come up. Now we have two actions to take. The first one is filter in the list in place, and the second one is copy to another location. Now because if you select this, it will replace your data in the selected field, but I don't want this information to be replaced, so copy to another location. So copy to another location will take you to, we display the results in another cell range. So now the next thing is list range. So where we have the list, which is from A1 to J126, and then the criteria range. This is the criteria. We are selecting central region with pool and South County without pool. So the criteria range is from M1 to V3. M1 to V3. Let's see. Yes, it's from M1 to V3. It has been selected. Then where do we want to copy to? We are copying the result to M1, M8, M8, which is this cell to V8. Okay, which is this V8. So that is done. The next thing now is to click OK. Once I click OK, you see the result. It has selected South County without pool and Central Region with pool. So you will notice that all the South County selected here will be false. That is, will be without pool, while all Central Region will be with pool. Okay, so that is how you can filter based on two conditions using Excel. Okay, let's see other things we can do. We want to display the agents with a house in North Country area having 2 bedroom and a single family type. Okay, So this also is an advanced filtering because we are going to be selecting the north country area, okay, that has two bedroom and also has a single type family. So here we are not dealing with three columns. So it says display only the agent area, bedroom and type column. So we just need all this information alone. So how do we get that done? Let me go to sheet 6 here. Okay. So it says see the agent with a house in North Country County having, it should be county, not country. Let me change it. Okay, so the agent with a house in North Country having two bedrooms and a single type family. So just like the way we did it in sheet in sheet 5. So we type the area which is equal to, then select North County here, enter. Then bedroom, the condition is two bedroom, so we type equal to and select cells with two bedroom, any of them. And then the type, family type should be single family. So select equal to, then we come to type and select single family here. Now don't forget the instruction is that we should display only the agent name, okay, the area, that should be agent name here. So display only the agent name, the area, the bedroom and the column type. So I already have that, agent, area, bedroom and type. So next thing now is to come to data, come to advanced, and then copy to a new location, to another location. The list range is from A1 to J126, and then the criteria is from M1 to V2. So that has been selected. Then copy to M7 to P7. So the next thing is to click OK. And then we have the agent type that who lives in North County that has two bedroom, and the agent who lives in North Country has two bedroom, and also have a single family type. So that is how you do advanced filtering using Excel. Another thing we want to do is we want to display all the houses whose list price was between 45,000. I think I've changed this to 300,000, 300,000 to 400,000. So change this to 300,000, 400,000. So we want to look at, we want to filter houses that has prices between 300,000 to 400,000. So that's what we want to do. So how do we do that? So let's come to sheet 7. So it says display all houses whose list price was between 300,000 to 400,000. Now there are two ways to do that. You can come you can use this normal filter. Just click home, make sure this is selected, then click on source, then filter. Now go to list price here, and then go to number filter, then see between, click on between. Now it says show rows where we have the list price is greater than or equal to. So we said between 300,000 to 400,000. So that is greater than or equal to 300,000 and less than or equal to 400,000. So we have that. Then you click OK. Now you would notice that we only have information when the houses is between 300,000 to 400,000. Okay. Then another way we can also do that is, let me just Ctrl Z. Okay. And that way we can do that also is to is to use this. Now you will notice that I have my column head here, but this time around I have two list price because I'm dealing with two list price, 300,000 and 400,000. So this is the only addition I added. This is the only addition. So now, so the next thing now is under this list price, I'll just type equal, greater than or equal to 300,000. Then for this also I'll type less than or equal to 400,000. Okay, so that I have that now. So the next thing is to display the results here. Come to data, then advance, copy to another location. So I have my cell selected A1 to J126, and then the criteria is from M1 to W2 has been selected. Then copy to this area M7 to V7, then click OK. So it gives me only houses with a price list of 300,000 to 400,000, just like the way we have it. So that is how we do that. Next thing to do is we look at the last item. It says find all the houses in North County area. Right, it should be North County with list price greater than 300,000 and having 3 or 4 bedroom. So here we are also filtering based on two criteria: the list price greater than 300,000 and also having 3 or 4 bedrooms. So I have that in sheet 8. Okay, so the first thing is I come here, click on list price. I have the fees already. All right, so I think so the first thing, let me unfilter this first because it's filtered already. So let me just clear. Okay, I think we are good to go. Okay, yeah, all right, so it's set now. Now the next thing, so here I'll just type greater than 300,000 here because that is one of the criteria. Then having 3 or 4 bedrooms, so I will also type greater than 300,000 because we're having two conditions for that. 300,000. So the bedroom, um 3 or 4, I'll just click equal to, select places we have 3 bedrooms. Then here equal to, and select fees where we have 4 bedroom, just any of them. Okay, so our criteria is set. So I will select this cell, then come to data, advance. So my copy to another location. The list range is from A1 to J126. Then criteria range has been selected. Then copy to this, click OK. So you would see that I have information for oh sorry, I didn't specify the criteria completely. Let me Ctrl Z. Sorry, Control. Okay, let me just clear everything here. Yeah. Okay, so I need to add the area because it's not, we are selecting not country, not all the feed. So I need to add area which is not county. Also for these two, not county. Okay, so the criteria is set now. So let's go back, click on advance, then everything is set, copy to another location, then click Okay. So you would see that we have all information for North County when the list price is greater than 300,000 and for 3 or 4 bedroom. So this is how we do advanced filtering and sorting in Excel. So in the next lesson, we are going to see more powerful Excel features. Thank you very much.